Hello, guys and girls. Today, we will be showcasing the new Titans. I'm a showcase upgraded Titan, Sawblade, to see if he's worth it or not. So first ability is his sawblade launch. It don't do much damage if they're not taller a little bit. Now, the handsaw ability. Pretty cool. Angle. Now for his core ability. Looks like a white flamethrower. He's too weak to show, we need to spawn a new one. Back saw ability. It's alright. Now for his stomp ability. Wow, a massive stomp. Little combo. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Type a cat emoji if you made it this far. Goodbye.